Alright, well that is an interior dash trim piece we're going to try to take off today so I can wrap it another color. So let's have a look and see how we can do this. I believe you can just pull from this side here and it'll pop out with some clips. Boom, there we have that. Now this bigger piece here, I believe this is all in with clips. So we're gonna He-Man it, try to get some clips undone here. If we can, it's pretty tight. Without breaking anything. And there we go. It comes out like that. And from the looks of it, I didn't break anything. For this side, it's pretty much the same deal. Wiggle it around like that. So this piece comes out pretty much like the other side. You just pop it out. And that came out surprisingly easy. And we gotta take this plug out right here. Also, there was a 7mm bolt right there that we took out. So go back around here, squish this in and pull it out. The car will start beeping. And then you need to slide these two on both sides through, and that pulls that out. And then we can just plug this back in for later. And we're gonna use it later. Just get it back in there somehow. It stops falling. So, you know what? That's good right there. You have clips here, 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 and here that you need to take out. So you gotta push them all down at the same time possible, and then push out. Oh, that was pretty easy. And you just repeat the steps over here. And this last one. And that's how you take it out. And that is what leaves us our upside down piece that we're going to rewrap. Kudos to my 5-year-old son who is doing the camera work for me. And we are going to do them in pearl white. And we'll see how that goes. We got it done in white. I left that last pod out so you can see what it's like. That was probably about a half hour to 40 minutes or so. It's not that difficult. Alrighty, we are done. We're about to put it all back in the car. I think for being a novice at this wrapping, I didn't do a horrible job. Let's see how it looks in the car. Oh, by the way, that's white pearl, except that there's no sun in here, so oh well. Alright, we got the piece back in with it plugged back in and the little 7mm bolt down here. And now we're gonna see if we can get this in place. Nice and easy like that. So last but not least, we're gonna put this part back in. Start slipping in. Nice and easy. Okay, that part is in. Now we'll go on to the last one. Down here. Alright, so we've got it all in. Not sure how I feel about the white, but the pearl looks pretty cool, I guess. And freaking country songs are on. But, yeah. So, there it is what it is.